Hey guys, all of you are doing okay today? I'm here at Sichuan and I'm going to buy tofu for a dish that I twisted a bit, okay? It's actually a very popular Dongbei Chai, right? The northern dishes from China, which is Laziji, but I'm going to make Lazhi Tofu with cauliflower, alright? And I think it's going to be awesome for even those who don't take meat, okay? So let's go. Hey guys, I'm back from Sichuan. Today we're going to do a very common and popular northern Chinese dish which you can find anywhere now. It's called Laziji. But let's have a twist. Let's make plant-based friendly Lazhi Tofu Cauliflower. Okay, the two major ingredients which I think is available now everywhere. Okay, it's easily available now, or you can buy online, which is this dry chili. You can buy in any form that you can find around you. Second ingredient is Sichuan peppercorn. It's a must-have. You can use red, you can use green, or both. Okay. As for seasoning, salt, soy sauce, vinegar. Some recipe involve the Doubanjiang, right? Everybody know Doubanjiang by now, or spicy fermented paste. I won't add it now because if you don't have it, forget it. Okay. If you have, add some. Okay, stir fry it till it's fragrant. Okay. Such an easy dish. Don't be fooled by the number of chilies that I'm going to add on later. It may not be as spicy as you think it is unless you start biting on the chili itself. Okay, so let's go.